Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I share my recipe on how to make okra soup or okra soup, which is one of the most delicious and very easy to prepare together recipes. This is perfect for eating and it's also very delicious. My name is Okro and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. I've just gone in with my properly washed beef. You can use any protein of choice for this soup recipe. To season the beef, I went in with some chopped onion, roughly blended peppers. I added seasoning cubes, a little salt to taste. I'll give that a good stir until properly combined. Add enough water to cook the meat until it becomes soft. I'll cover the pot and continue to cook. To recreate this soup recipe, kindly check the description box below for the list of ingredients that I use in this video. While the meat is cooking nicely, I'll introduce you to the rest of the ingredients that I prepped properly off camera. This is my okra or okra, looking so green and fresh. This is what you should go for whenever you want to make okra soup. The freshness of your okra influences the taste and appearance of your soup. I chopped the okra nicely to be a bit thick because I want to see chunks of it while eating the soup. But feel free to cut yours into whatever sizes you prefer. On this plate, I have some grated okra. This is the secret to a very slimy pot of okra soup. If you want your okra soup to be very slimy, that is if you want it to draw. Draw is a common word used to address slimy soups in Nigeria. Then you have to grate some of it. Grating the okra will make it to be very slimy. It's totally optional though. I also have my deboned fish. Feel free to use any fish of choice. I have some chopped onion. This is totally optional. You can do without adding onion. I also have roughly blended scotch bonnet peppers. Use as much pepper as you want. On this plate, I have a local spice called Okpei. It's called locust bean in English. This adds a very unique taste and flavor to okra soup and I love using it. I highly recommend it. This is my crayfish, finely grounded. I use a lot of it when making soups. I highly recommend it too. My vegetable of choice for today's soup recipe is ugu leaf and this is my finely diced ugu leaf. Now that you're familiar with the ingredients, let's get on with preparing this delicious pot of okra soup. My meat has been cooking for about 15 minutes now and it's like 80% cooked. So in no particular order, I'll go in with the rest of my ingredients. I've just added my palm oil. Next to go in is my roughly blended peppers. I added a little bit of the chopped onion, like I said, is totally optional. I added my local seasoning, which is Okpei. You can either use Okpei or Iru, whichever one works just fine. I've added my crayfish powder. Be generous with your crayfish because it adds a lot of taste to Nigerian soups. After adding the ingredients, I'll stir until properly combined, cover the pot and I'll let it cook for a few minutes. If you're new to the channel, hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Oge. Kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this amazing YouTube family. Subscription is absolutely free and I promise you're going to love it here. After about 5 minutes, this is what we have. Our pot of soup is coming on really well and it's time to go in with the next ingredients, which is my grated okra. Once added, I'll use my spoon to break it up and I'll continue to cook. Subscription is absolutely free and I know you will love it here because I have lots of amazing and delicious food recipes that you want to try out. So please do me a favor by hitting on the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you'll be among the first to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. I added some water to loosen up the grated okra. You can always add water to your preference. I love my soup to be a bit thick, so I won't be going in with so much water. But feel free to add as much as you want. So you can see that the okra has loosened up a bit. I'll cover the pot and I'll let this cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, and this is what our pot of okra soup is looking like. It's coming on nicely. I'll give this a quick stir and then go in with my seasoning. For seasoning, I'll be using just seasoning cubes and salt. Which other seasoning do you add to your okra soup? Let's know down in the comment section. I also add Okpei or Iru. I forgot to mention that. So let me know the other seasoning you use to season your okra soup in the comment section. After adding the seasoning, I will cover and allow it to cook for at least 1 minute, a minute or two. After After about 2 minutes, it's time to go in with my chopped okra. Once added, I'll stir properly, cover and continue to cook. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. It shows you're enjoying the recipe and I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please do well to follow my pages on other social media platforms. I'm on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. And the name to search for is Oge_Anyoko on Facebook and Oge Anyoko on TikTok and on Instagram. Please do well to follow my pages, watch, share, like and leave me comments in the comment section. I have lots of videos that are a minute long or less and I'm sure you enjoy watching them. I also post on my YouTube shorts, so you can check out my YouTube shorts for short videos. I decided to go in with more of the dry fish at this point because I didn't want it to scatter completely. That's the reason I didn't add it initially. So once added, I'll stir until it is well incorporated. Cover the pot and I'll continue to cook. To all my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. You guys are the real MVPs. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. You guys are the best and you all hold a special place in my heart. 2 minutes later, and this is what our pot of soup is looking like. It's almost ready at this point, but I decided to go in with more crayfish powder and dry fish. Be very generous with your crayfish powder whenever you're making any Nigerian soup, especially okra soup. I also added my ugu leaf. Use as much as you want, or you can use any vegetable of choice for okra soup recipe. So once added, I'll stir properly until everything is well incorporated. As most of you already know, whenever I add any vegetable into my soup while cooking, it means that the food is almost ready. So once added, I'll stir until well incorporated and I'll let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Cooking for a longer period of time is going to kill the nutrients in the vegetables and we don't want that. We want every nutrient to be intact. So cooking for just 2 minutes is enough. And some people also enjoy their okra soup without any vegetable. So do yours however you want it. So after stirring, I'll cover and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Okra soup is one of the healthiest soups I know. It's very delicious, very easy to put together, and it's ready in no time. It's one of the easiest soup recipes to make. After about 2 minutes, this is what I have. Our pot of okra soup is ready. I'll give that one last stir and then dish it out. What swallow are you coming with? What swallow do you think is perfect for this soup? I'll be having mine with gari or eba. So we've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video to get it to a wider reach. Share it out to your family and friends. Leave me your comments in the comment section. Let me know if you'll be trying out this soup recipe. And please subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you for stopping by and I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.